Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Every day, people throw away more than 20,000 TVs. In 2022, a 48-year-old Italian man, frustrated after an argument with his wife, walked for 50 kilometers to calm down. Beer is a part of the obligatory diet of polar explorers. Hands of a man who ate from 6 to 9 pounds of butter and cheese a day for 8 months. In Germany, life insurance for smokers is 40% more expensive. Kalachi, a village in Kazakhstan, was plagued by a mysterious sleeping sickness that caused residents to fall asleep for days at a time. The highest concentration of oxygen on Earth is located in the upper ocean layers, especially in the colder, well mixed waters of high latitudes. Frederick did not know his actual birthday, so he chose Feb 14 because his mother referred to him as her little Valentine. The Giant's Causeway is an area of approximately 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. The result of an ancient volcanic fissure eruption is located in Northern Ireland. Known as the Sun King, is said to have taken only 3 baths in his lifetime because doctors at that time believed bathing would be dangerous. Thankful villages, also known as blessed villages, are those few villages in Britain that suffered no casualties in the First World War. All those who left to serve in World War I came home. Urinary pesticide levels dropped by 60.50% in children and adults after just 6 days on an organic diet. This turtle got caught in a plastic ring when its body was a baby. Its body and shell had to grow around it. A child playing the banjo for his dog in early 1900s. This road in Japan got blocked due to a mountain collapse and they restructured it within 2 months. Animal ambulance used during World War II. Gelada transition from its normal posture to exhibiting rage and anger is extraordinary. George Lucas before CGI in 1984. Born with brain damage, these best friends were given just 2% chances of survival. They just graduated high school in 2020. Telangana man created a 70-acre forest on his ancestral land in Suryapet district. The forest has 5 crore trees. 70-plus-year-old couple covers 30,000 kilometers, explore each and every scale on their 1974 Bullet. Red light scattered the least by the air molecules and therefore is able to travel the biggest distance and through fog, rain and low visibility conditions. Money has different names. You don't have to be good at all things to be rich, but you have to be good at some things in which no one can beat you. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel in warm water and have steam on your face. It helps in acne-free and soft skin. No matter how good you are not important forever. Over 2.5 billion people never seen ocean or sea waves in their lives. 5 billion people in the world never visited in an aeroplane. Mount Fuji, Japan. Women were strictly forbidden from climbing the mountain for centuries until 1872, only being allowed access to mountain as far as the second stage. In the time it took scientists to discover it, let it be a planet for 76 years, take away its planet status, say it might be a planet again, then made their minds. Pluto never made a full orbit around the sun. In 1936, archaeologists unearthed clay jars near Baghdad containing copper cylinders and iron rods. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, these artifacts, known as the Baghdad batteries, could produce about 1.1 volts of electricity. Mount Fuji, Japan. Women were strictly forbidden from climbing the mountain for centuries until 1872, only being allowed access to mountain as far as the second stage. There is a university in Sweden where students let out primal screams at 10 p.m. every night. The Flockstar scream occurs when students in Uppsala's Flockstar neighborhood keep up tradition by stopping what they are doing at exactly 10 p.m. and collectively screaming from their balconies. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan struggled with poverty and had limited educational opportunities. Born in 1887 in a small village in India, Ramanujan showed an exceptional talent for mathematics early on despite having no formal training. In Cambridge, Ramanujan developed groundbreaking work on infinite series, partition, and continued fractions. Ramanujan's letter to G. H. Hardy, a prominent mathematician at Cambridge, finally brought him recognition. Despite his early death at age 32, Ramanujan's work remains a testament to his brilliance. Thanks for watching.